In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Today we are going to learn what is a quadratic equation. Look here, an square plus bn plus c. This is quadratic sequence. Okay, this is the general formula, whatever they are asking us to find. For example, find the nth term. So we have to find this shape, this format. Okay, this is the standard form of a quadratic sequence, same like quadratic equation or expression. So we were using, a x square bx. Now we have n is a number of term. Okay, what is a? How to find a? So we always, whatever the second difference which is equal to a, equal second difference. Okay, then how to find c? C is a zeroth term. Then a plus b plus c always equal first term. So you need to memorize all this. If you know all this, then you can find the nth term formula. Okay, one more thing we need to learn here. This is the sequence. Let me write the sequence for 11, for 11, 20, 31, so on. Okay, look at the first difference. What is the first difference? 4 to 11, which is equal 7. 11 to 20, which is equal 9. So 20 to 31, which is equal 11, so on. This is the first difference. First difference is not same. So in quadratic equation, if for example we want to identify the given equation, now it is given this is a quadratic, sometimes they will ask you, they will give you the sequence and they will ask you to find the nth term or the general formula. So they didn't tell us which sequence is it. So we will see the first difference. If it is not same, we will check it is a geometric or not. Geometric we learned already in geometric series and geometric sequence. If it is not geometric, then we will check the second difference. Second, 7 to 9, the difference is 2. 9 to 11, the difference is 2. It means the second difference is same. If a sequence has second difference same, we will say this is quadratic equation. I hope you understand. Okay, now we are sure this is quadratic. Sorry, we are sure this is a quadratic equation. Even this is given, but I told you if it is not given, how to know. This is the way. Okay, now as I told you, 2a, to get a, 2a equal the second difference. What is 2a? What is the second difference is? The second difference is 2. So 2a, whatever the second, for example here 5, so 2a equal 5. If the second difference is 9, 2a equal 9. If second difference is 4, 2a equal 4. Whatever the second difference, that is equal to 2a. This is the formula to find a. So a equal 2 is multiplying with a. When go other side, it will divide. 2 divide 2 equal 1. So a equal 1. Okay, now we, as I wrote, the c is the zeroth term. So this is the first term. This is the zeroth term. We are going to find the zero term. Okay, I will go back from 11 to 9. What I did, I subtract 2. So 9 to 7, I subtract 2. So 7 to before, what will I do? Subtract 2, which is equal 5. Okay, now 20 minus 9 equal 11. 11 minus 7 equal 4. 4 minus 5 equal minus 1. So the zeroth term is what? Minus 1. C equal minus 1. I hope it is clear. Okay, then we need to find b. We will use this way. So to find b, a plus b plus c equal first term. What is the first term? Is 4. So replace the value of a, which is 1, replace the value of c, which is equal -1, equal 4. 1 minus 1 cancel, b equal 4. This is our a, b, c. So what is the nth term? Nth term is, just I will replace the value of a, b and c. So a I got, which is equal 1 n square, plus I will write un because nth term, or sometime we write an, both are same. So what is b? Just now we got it for n, and c is -1. So this is the nth term. 1 we don't write, n square plus 4n minus 1 an. This is a quadratic equation. Now find the 10th term. 10th term mean a 10, n is 10, so 10 square plus 4 into 10 minus 1. 10 square is 100. 10 multiply 4 equal 40 minus 1. So it is 140 minus 1, which is equal 139. So the 10th term is 139. I hope you understand. Look at the second question. In the second question, they gave us the 5 terms. So what is the first step? They ask you to find the nth term. We will do the same thing. We will find the second difference, because we are solving quadratic equation. So if the second difference is same, this is quadratic equation. So let me write once again. 10, 17, 26, 37, 50, so on. Okay, now what is the difference? 10 to 17 is 7. So 17 to 26 equal 9. 26 to 37, which is equal 11. 37 to 50, which is equal 13. This is the second difference, which is not same. So let's see. Now we will find this is the first difference, which is not same. So now we will find the second difference, which is 2. It is the same like the first question. Now we need first to find a, which is always equal to a, equal the second difference 2. So a equal 1, because 2 divided 2 equal 1. Then we need to find the c, 0th term. As I told you, we subtract 2. 13 minus 2, 11. 11 minus 2, 9. 9 minus 2, 7. So 7 minus 2, which is equal 5. So 26 minus 9, 17. 17 minus 7, 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. So c equal 5. Now we want to find a and the value of b. So a plus b plus c equal the first term, which is equal 10. This is the first term. So what is a? Equal 1. B we will find. C equal 5, which is equal 10. So 5 plus 1 equal 6. So b equal 10 minus 6, because 6 is positive. So b equal 10 minus 6 equal 4. So we have the value of a, b, c. So what is the general form of the sequence? An equal an square plus bn plus c. What is a? A is 1, we don't write, n square, plus what is b? Is 4n, and what is c? Which is equal 5. So you can write an or un, same, no problem. So now they are asking you find the 20th term. So replace n with 20, u 20. So 20 square, 4 into 20 plus 5. 20 square is 400 plus 80 plus 5. So the 20th term, when we will add 485, this is our answer. I hope you understand. Okay, one more thing I want to teach you here. This is our nth term. This is nth term. We want to make sure, in some questions they will ask you verify your formula or verify your term is correct. How to verify our nth term or the standard formula is correct. Okay, to verify, because the terms are given, the first, second, third, fourth term, we want to check, for example, the third term. We will replace n with 3. Then we will check if the answer is 26. So it means this formula is correct. Let's see. n is 3. Then n replace with 3 square plus 4. N is 3 plus 5. So 3 square equal 9. 4 multiply 3, 12 plus 5. So we will add together, which is equal 26. So the third term is 26. It is correct, verified. The nth term which we got it is correct. Like that you can verify. Now this is the last question. Third question, we will find, they gave us the nth term. They're asking how many terms less than 200. Okay, how many terms are less than 200? I mean, the first term is what, second, then we will reach up to what term? The term should be less than 200. So it means this one, and 2n square plus 3n plus 1 should be less than 200. To solve it, we will keep it equal 200. 2n square plus 3n plus 1 equal to. So this is 200. When come this side, it will be negative. So 2n square plus 3n plus 1 minus 200 equals 0. So after simplifying, 2n square plus 3n minus 199, which is equal 0. Okay, now so this is a quadratic equation. We can solve this with different methods, quadratic formula, factorization. So this is a big number, so better we will use quadratic formula. So what is a quadratic formula? Quadratic formula is n equal minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac over 2a. What is the value of a? Coefficient of n square is 2, b equal 3, c equal minus 199. Okay, now we will replace the value of b, which is equal 3 plus minus 3 square minus 4, a equal 2, c equal minus 199 over 2a. So minus 3 plus minus, we can simplify by using calculator, which is equal square root 1601 over, what is the value of a? I didn't replace here. Value of a is 2, so divide by 4. So we have two values, one is positive, one is negative. So we will use the positive value from here. We will not use negative, because the n should be the positive, so which is equal minus 3 plus 40.01 over 4, the square root of 1601, which is equal 40.01. okay, after dividing this one, which is equal 9.25, so this is almost equal 9. So n, because n is 9. Why 9? Because they said less than. If I will keep it the same, this is equal to, because we put it equal. So if I will put n equal 9 point to it, which is, that will be equal to 100. We want less than 9, so less than 200. So less than 200, so the smaller than this whole number is 9. So that's why the n is 9. How many terms less than 200? 9 terms. In the first term, second term, up to 9 will be the answer. The ninth term will be lesser than 200. Okay, I hope you understand. If you have any confusion, we can make sure. How to make sure? We can verify as we did in the first question. Let's see, to make sure the nth term, because the formula is given. We will replace n with 9. A 9 to 9 square plus 3 plus 1. So 9 square equal 81. 3 times 9, 27 plus 1. 2 ones are 2. 16 plus 28. So we will add 8 plus 2 is 10. 6 plus 2, 8 plus 1, 9. So 109. 90. So and ninth term is 190, which is less than 200. We proved, we verified. So this is a way you can verify. I hope you understand. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, if you like the lecture, you can subscribe my channel. You can share with your friends. Thank you so much for supporting. Bye. Take care. See you next time with new video.